We are pleased to show you the 2018 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.